Locksmiths don't want you to know this. If at any time your door lock has a problem and the door doesn't close, it's too late. You can't call a locksmith or you don't want to spend money. Don't worry. Today, I am going to show you a very simple solution. It's an emergency alternative for those days when you need to close the door. It's an easy, quick, and inexpensive trick that you can do yourself. All you'll need is a fork. It's that same thing. It may seem strange, but believe me, it can save you. The first thing we will do is take a fork and place it in that part. Now, with the help of a pen, mark it right here. It is very important to make this mark. Then, with the help of pliers, we bend this part of the fork upwards. And bend it right where we made the mark. And with the help of the pliers, make up and down movements, right where the mark is. Do this until the fork breaks and it will stay like this. Our advice is ready, and using it is very simple. Simply place this part of the fork into the entrance of the lock. Then, close the door and sign, passing the other part through the inside of the fork. And you will have an excellent homemade lock. Very resistant and safe. It is only possible to open from the inside. I am sure that with this advice, your sleep will be much more peaceful. No one will be able to enter your house. And as I said, this is a great alternative for any emergency. That's all for today. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. God bless you.